In today's video, I'm going to teach you step-by-step guide to sending a payment request. If you work with clients around the world, Payoneer makes it straightforward to request a payment in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through the process from sign-in to send and share simple tips to help your request look professional and get paid on time. Start by logging into your Payoneer account from a secure browser. Make sure you're on the official website and that your connection is stable. If you use two-step verification, have your device nearby so you can complete the sign-in smoothly. Once you're in, look for the Receive menu at the top of your dashboard and choose Request a Payment. This is the hub where you'll build your request. If you don't see it immediately, expand the menu options or search within the dashboard. Next, add your payer. You can select a contact you've saved before or add a new payer, whether it's an individual or a company. Enter the basic details the form asks for, including their name, email address, and country. If it's a company, include the website URL as well. Accuracy matters here, especially the email, because that's where the request will be delivered. A quick double check saves time later. Now enter the payment details. Set the amount and choose the currency that matches your agreement with the client. Add a clear description of the service or product so there's no confusion. Think of it like a concise scope line. You can also set a due date. This politely nudges your client to pay on time and helps you plan your cash flow. It's time to create or attach your invoice. You can use Payoneer's built-in invoice creator, which guides you through adding your business details, your logo, and an itemized list of what you're billing for. Prefer your own format? Upload your invoice file, such as a PDF or doc. Make sure the totals, currency, and dates match the details you just entered, and include any applicable taxes to avoid back and forth. Before you send, preview everything. Read it like your client would. Check that the amount is correct, the description is clear, and the due date is realistic. When you're satisfied, send the request. Payoneer automatically emails your client with a secure link to complete the payment using the methods available in their region. That's it. With a clear description, an accurate invoice, and a sensible due date, your payment request looks professional and is easy for your client to act on.